change. Used to grind at the beans, used to work at that cafe. Now I grind at the beats and niggas cap without the frost. I went and found myself while you were out getting lost. Nothing really changed, set the money in my pocket. Speaking of my name, young boy, better watch it. I ain't never stop unless I'm rotting in the coffin. I did it all from home, now these niggas pay me homage. I used to mix drinks, now I mix vocals. Used to skip roll calls, now they want my photos. Damn, I wish I could do it again, but then I won't be who I am. And I really love who I am. I used to skip out on exams, now I write hits with my pen. I used to play streets for a 10, now I get booked for a 10. For my iPhone 5, yeah, baby, you hit me up all night. See, lately I've been quite alright. If you with me, better ride or die. Cause girl, you drive me crazy. Love me, then you fuck me like you hate me. Put my ass to sleep, you like a daydream. What doesn't kill me really makes me. Yeah, it makes me stronger than ever. I knew these days would get better. I just been chasing my treasure. I will not crack under pressure. Your skin so smooth like some leather. So cute when you're fed up. Don't you never say never. Cause these days will get better. I say, wait, about time I gotta upgrade. Niggas school, about time you move on up the grade. Yeah, you can take the escalator, I will take the staircase. My iPhone 5, yeah, baby, you hit me up all night. See, lately I've been quite alright. If you with me, better ride or die. We did it from a